da 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 da. Oh my, what is going on here? Meh. Meh. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Oh my, it seems like all my friends came to have a surprise sleepover, but they fell asleep already. I need to go around and wake them up and let them know I'm here. George, would you like to help me wake everybody up so we can have a really fun slumber party?
Okay, yay!
Wake up, Susie! Come on, come out of the sleeping bag. It's time to have the slumber party. Oh my, Peppa, I am so sorry we fell asleep without you.
Wake up! Wake up, Candy Cat! Wake up! Yay, Candy's up!
Come on out, Zoe. Come out from the sleeping bag. It's time to have the slumber party. Oh, hello, Peppa. Oh, I'm so sorry. Fell asleep. Hello.
Wake up! Wake up, Danny Dog. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
I was quite sleepy, wasn't I? My goodness.
Yay, everyone's awake.
Peppa, I think you lost something or forgot something in your bunk bed. It's a large package just sitting there. Yay! Oh, it's my new package that I ordered today. I got in the mail, and it's a surprise friend inside. Let's see who's in it. Alright friends, before we start our slumber party, I just want to show you what I got in the mail the other day. Inside is hidden either a clone of one of us, or it's a brand new friend. So let's open it up and see what we got. I would absolutely adore a clone twin of myself. It'd be so fun. Well, let's get this thing open and see who's hiding inside. My, these scissors are quite large. I hope I get it very good, okay? Alright guys, let's see who we got. I'm going to pull them out now. Oh, yay! We got another Zoe Zebra! Now we can have two Zoes walking around! I am so excited! I've always wanted a twin sister! Oh, this is gonna be so much fun! We can go to the park together, and we can wear matching clothes, and we can trick people into thinking we're each other. Oh, it's going to be so much fun! Okay friends, now that we have opened up a brand new addition to the group, let's get this slumber party started with a movie and some popcorn! Yay!
If you want to see more of me, click like and subscribe.
And in the comments, let me know whether you liked me opening up a blind bag of a brand new friend. Hopefully I can open another and I'll get a new friend.
Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video, and if you click on the question mark, you get to see a random surprise video. Woo! Thanks for watching, and have a great day.